Are PCs becoming obsolete? It is a question that sounds almost impossible when you first hear it. But look at how technology is changing, and the question suddenly makes a lot more sense. Smartphones are more powerful than ever. Tablets are replacing laptops for casual users. Cloud services are moving applications away from local computers, and artificial intelligence is becoming part of almost every device. Even operating systems are changing. Yet while the world talks about replacing traditional PCs with phones, tablets, cloud computers, and AI-powered machines, there is one Linux distribution quietly making a strong argument for why the classic PC still matters. That distribution is Linux Mint Debian Edition, better known as LMDE. LMDE is especially interesting because it represents something that is becoming increasingly rare in modern computing: simplicity, control, stability, and independence. While mainstream operating systems are becoming more connected to online accounts, cloud services, telemetry, subscription ecosystems, and constantly changing hardware requirements, LMDE takes a different approach. It gives you a traditional desktop operating system that runs locally, feels familiar, and does not require you to completely change the way you use a computer. The bigger question is whether PCs themselves are becoming obsolete. For many casual users, the answer might actually be yes. If all you do is watch YouTube, browse social media, send messages, use online banking, and occasionally edit a document, a smartphone or tablet can handle most of those tasks. Modern phones have incredibly fast processors, high-resolution displays, excellent cameras, and enough storage and memory for everyday activities. For these users, buying a traditional desktop PC may not feel necessary anymore. But there is a huge difference between consuming information and creating it. The moment you start doing serious video editing, software development, music production, 3D work, large-scale file management, gaming, virtualization, or professional multitasking, the traditional PC becomes extremely difficult to replace. A large monitor, physical keyboard, mouse, powerful processor, upgradable memory, multiple storage devices, and proper desktop applications still provide an experience that phones and tablets struggle to match. This is where Linux becomes particularly interesting, and LMDE takes that philosophy even further. Linux Mint has always focused on creating a desktop environment that feels familiar rather than experimental. LMDE takes the Mint experience and builds it on Debian instead of Ubuntu. That difference may sound technical, but it matters because Debian has a reputation for stability, reliability, and a conservative approach to software changes. For someone who wants a computer that simply works without constantly demanding attention, that can be a major advantage. You install the operating system, configure your hardware, install the applications you need, and then get on with your work. You are not constantly being pushed toward a new subscription, a new cloud service, or a completely redesigned interface. And this is exactly why LMDE feels almost like a counterargument to the idea that PCs are obsolete. Instead of trying to turn the computer into a phone, LMDE embraces the strengths of the traditional desktop. Think about what happens when you use an old or inexpensive PC with modern operating systems. Hardware requirements continue to increase. New features often demand more RAM, more processing power, and newer graphics capabilities. Eventually, a computer that was perfectly usable a few years ago begins to feel outdated. Linux Mint LMDE can give some of those machines a second life. Of course, extremely old hardware will still have limitations, and LMDE is not magic. But Linux distributions can often make better use of modest hardware than users might expect. A machine that feels painfully slow under a heavier operating system can become perfectly usable for browsing, office work, programming, media playback, and everyday productivity. That changes the economics of computing. Instead of throwing away a working computer simply because a newer operating system has higher requirements, you can install a lightweight Linux environment and continue using the hardware. Suddenly, your old PC is not obsolete. It is simply running software that is better matched to its capabilities. There is also another important advantage: ownership. When you run a traditional Linux desktop, your files can remain on your own storage. Your applications can run locally. Your computer can continue functioning even when an internet connection is unavailable. You have much more control over what is installed, what starts automatically, what services run in the background, and how your desktop behaves. That level of control is increasingly important in an era when so much computing is moving toward the cloud. Cloud computing is incredibly convenient, but convenience and control are not always the same thing. If an online service changes its pricing, modifies its features, goes offline, or stops supporting an application, you may have little choice. With a traditional Linux PC, you can keep much more of your computing environment under your own control. LMDE also demonstrates why choice matters. Linux is not one operating system, it is an entire ecosystem. If you dislike one desktop environment, you can choose another. If you want a different distribution, you can switch. If you want to customize your system, you can. If you want to learn how your computer actually works, Linux gives you an opportunity to do exactly that. For beginners, LMDE can be surprisingly approachable because Linux Mint provides a familiar desktop experience. You still have menus, windows, taskbars, file managers, settings, software management tools, and everything else you expect from a traditional computer. You do not need to become a command line expert on day one. And for experienced Linux users, the Debian Foundation provides another reason to take LMDE seriously. Debian is one of the most respected projects in the Linux world, and its enormous software ecosystem gives LMDE access to a huge collection of applications and packages. But LMDE is not perfect. Hardware compatibility can sometimes require additional work, especially with unusual devices or certain proprietary drivers. Some commercial applications and games are still designed primarily for Windows or Mac OS. If your professional workflow depends on specific software that has no Linux version, switching completely may not be realistic. However, that does not weaken the argument for LMDE. It simply shows that the future of computing may not be about choosing one device or operating system for everything. You could use a smartphone for communication, a tablet for media consumption, and a Linux PC for serious work. The PC does not need to dominate every part of your digital life to remain valuable. In fact, the more technology becomes cloud-based and mobile-focused, the more valuable a local, powerful, upgradable computer can become. A PC gives you a physical machine that you control. You can replace the storage. You can upgrade the RAM. You can add a graphics card. You can install another operating system. You can disconnect it from the internet and continue working. You can keep using it for many years. That is the real reason LMDE still wins for a certain type of user. It does not try to convince you that the traditional computer is dead. Instead, it reminds you why the traditional computer became so important in the first place. The future may bring smarter phones, thinner laptops, AI assistants, cloud applications, and entirely new forms of computing. But as long as people need control, performance, flexibility, privacy, repairability, and the ability to make their own decisions about how their machines work, the PC is unlikely to disappear completely. And Linux Mint LMDE represents that philosophy beautifully. It is not trying to be the newest or flashiest operating system. It is trying to be dependable. It gives older hardware another chance, gives users control over their machines, and keeps the traditional desktop experience alive in a world that increasingly wants to move everything into the cloud. So, are PCs becoming obsolete? For simple everyday tasks, they may be less essential than they once were. But obsolete is a completely different word. The PC still has strengths that smartphones, tablets, and cloud platforms cannot fully replace. And distributions like Linux Mint LMDE prove that a computer does not need the latest hardware, the latest trends, or constant online services to remain useful. Maybe the future of computing is not about abandoning the PC. Maybe it is about finally giving users the freedom to decide what their PC should be. And that is exactly where LMDE continues to stand out.